Hey everyone, if you need to delete a payment in QuickBooks Online, but keep getting that error saying it's already been deposited, don't worry. You don't have to hunt through your bank registers. I'm going to show you how to find, unlink, and delete it directly from the Receive Payment screen. Let's get into it. Step 1. Go to Receive Payment. Click the plus new button in the top left corner of your dashboard and select Receive Payment. This is our starting point. Step 2. Use the Recent Transactions tool. Once you're on the Receive Payment screen, look at the very top left, right next to the Receive Payment header. Click the clock icon Recent Transaction. This will show you a list of the payments you've recently recorded. Click on the one you need to delete. Step 3. Jump to the deposit. Now that the payment is open, look at the top right. You'll see a blue link that says something like One Deposit Made. Click that link. This is a shortcut that takes you directly inside the bank deposit that is holding this payment. Step 4. Unlink the payment. In the bank deposit screen, find the payment in the list and uncheck the box next to it. This removes it from the deposit without affecting the other transactions. Hit Save and Close at the bottom. Step 5. Delete the payment. QuickBooks will bring you right back to the original payment screen. Now that it's unlinked, you can click More at the bottom and select Delete. Confirm the pop-up, and you're done. The invoice is now open again for correction. I hope this helped you out and I see you in the next one.